In this video, I'll talk about Lattice energy. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the video until the end. Lattice energy. What is lattice energy? How can lattice energy affect solubility? Explain factors affecting lattice energy. I'll answer these three questions. Lattice energy is the energy released when gaseous ions combine to form one mole of ionic solid. For example, sodium ion gas react with chloride ion gas. Finally, it forms sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is an ionic solid. Always formation of bond release energy. Therefore, it is exothermic process. Again, lattice energy is the energy required to separate one mole of ionic crystal lattice into its gaseous ion. For example, sodium chloride is separated into sodium ion gas plus chloride ion gas. The energy required to separate sodium chloride into sodium ion gas and chloride ion gas, we call it lattice energy. Breaking of bond or separating of bond always absorbed energy. Therefore, it's endothermic process. Hydration favors solution process of ionic solid. Hydration increase, solubility of ionic solid increase. Hydration decrease, solubility of ionic solid decrease. Therefore, hydration and solubility of ionic solid have direct relationship. Lattice energy works against solution process. Lattice energy increase, solubility decrease, and they have inverse relationship. Lattice energy and solubility have inverse relationship. Factor affecting lattice energy. The first factor that affects lattice energy is the magnitude of charge on the ion. Charge on the ion increase, lattice energy also increase. Charge on the ion decrease, lattice energy also decrease. Means that both charge on the ion and lattice energy have direct relationship. Which one has higher lattice energy? Sodium chloride or magnesium chloride? Think a moment and answer it. Magnesium chloride has magnesium plus 2 ions and chloride minus 1 ions. But sodium chloride has plus 1 ions, sodium ions, and minus 1 chloride ions. Therefore, the charge on the magnesium ions is greater than the charge on sodium ions. Therefore, magnesium chloride has higher lattice energy than sodium chloride. Which one has higher lattice energy? Magnesium chloride or aluminum chloride? Again, try to answer it. Now, magnesium chloride, the oxidation number of or the charge on the ions of magnesium is plus 2, and chloride has minus 1 charge. But when you come to aluminum chloride, the magnitude of the charge on aluminum ion is plus 3, and the magnitude of the charge on the chloride ion is minus 1. Therefore, aluminum has higher charge than magnesium plus 2. Therefore, aluminum chloride has higher lattice energy than magnesium chloride. Which one has highest lattice energy? A. Sodium chloride. B. Magnesium oxide. C. Magnesium chloride. D. Aluminum chloride. Which one? Try to answer this one. Now let us take magnesium. The answer is B. Magnesium oxide. In magnesium oxide, magnesium ion has plus 2 charge and oxygen has minus 2 charge. Therefore, magnesium oxide has higher charge, plus 2 and minus 2, plus 2 in magnesium and minus 2 in oxygen. Therefore, it has higher charge and it has small ion size. Therefore, magnesium has highest lattice energy than the others. When you compare the second factor that affects lattice energy is the size of ions. Size of ions increase, lattice energy decrease. And size of ions decrease, lattice energy increase. Means that size of ions and lattice energy have inverse relationship. Which one has higher lattice energy? Cesium chloride or sodium chloride? And try to answer. When cesium and sodium chloride is group 1 metals, let us mention group 1 metals in size. Lithium is less than sodium, sodium less than potassium, potassium less than rubidium, rubidium less than cesium, and cesium less than francium in atomic size. Therefore, sodium chloride has higher lattice energy than cesium chloride. Which one has highest lattice energy? Hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, C. Hydrogen iodide, D. Hydrogen bromide. Again in size for halogens, fluoride less than chlorine, chlorine less than bromine, bromine less than iodine, iodine less than astatine in atomic size. Therefore, hydrogen has highest lattice energy than the others. Which one has soluble in water? Which one least soluble in water? A. Sodium chloride, B. Magnesium oxide, C. Magnesium chloride, D. Aluminum chloride. The answer is magnesium oxide because it has highest lattice energy. Solubility and lattice energy has inverse relation as we have seen. Which one is more soluble in water? Sodium chloride or potassium chloride? Here the answer is potassium chloride because potassium chloride is less. Potassium chloride has less small lattice energy than sodium chloride. That's why it's more soluble in water.